Mortgage foreclosure crisis triggered the broader economic crisis that the nation finds itself in today. Unfortunately, home foreclosures continue to rise precipitously nationwide, notwithstanding the efforts by the Congress, the previous administration, and this administration to stem that tide of foreclosures. For me, the foreclosure crisis hits home almost literally. In a survey of the top 100 metro areas nationwide, my hometown of Memphis, Tennessee, ranked 18th in the number of foreclosures, according to data collected by RealtyTrack.com. In a similar comparison of states, the state of Tennessee, my home state, ranked 12th in the number of foreclosures. The extent of the foreclosure crisis is such that all socioeconomic classes are affected by growing foreclosure numbers. So far, the government's efforts at helping families avoid losing their homes appears not to be working effectively. Some of my colleagues, and I suspect this is because the government's efforts have focused almost exclusively on voluntary modification of mortgage terms for distressed borrowers. Evidence tends to suggest that encouraging voluntary modifications alone is at best minimally effective in helping financially struggling borrowers stay in their homes. I recognize that the current Treasury Department program is still relatively new, having been instituted only in March. Therefore, we have to reserve final judgment on its effectiveness. Nonetheless, media reports suggest that this current effort may need to be enhanced. Earlier this year, the 111th Congress, I co-sponsored and helped champion Chairman Conyers' bill, H.R. 1106, the Helping Families Save Their Homes Act of 2009, which, among other things, would have given authority to bankruptcy judges to modify debtors' mortgage terms in bankruptcy, including a reduction of the mortgage principal amount. In my view, this provision would have substantially and effectively reduced the number of foreclosures. Unfortunately, this provision was never signed into law. Adopting this provision would help strengthen any program to encourage voluntary mortgage modifications by loan servicers. I thank the witnesses for appearing today, and I look forward to their testimony. I now recognize my colleague, Mr. Franks, the distinguished ranking member of the subcommittee.